Alright guys, we're back here with another video. I'm here with Chase.
Hello.
And we're here with his white 240SX S13, as you guys can see.
So I bought it 2 years ago. It has an SR20 into it, so a 2-liter turbo. It's still the stock turbo. It probably makes like 200 horsepower. I don't drift it. I do burnouts and stuff. Mess around in parking lots.
That's what's up. I was gonna ask if you drifted or have any plans to drift it.
Screw around in parking lots and stuff, but I've never taken it to an event or anything.
Mm-hmm. So that's pretty cool, cause I'm thinking about, like, I don't know, I get indecisive when it comes to cars and stuff. I'm thinking about getting a Mustang now. Yeah. So I like none to like. You don't have to like drift or race or anything. It's just something just to mess around with and have fun and just make yourself happy, you know. So that's what's up.
It's the ISIS 4-inch blast pipes, like full straight pipe, no muffler, resonator or anything.
So what inspired you to get the 240?
Either Haggard Garage or Adam LZ. Seen them with their 240s, made me want one.
Oh yeah, definitely Adam LZ.
Yeah.
It's so clean. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to his YouTube channel. Definitely subscribe to his YouTube channel. Link will be in the description. You should see it right here. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel and follow him on Instagram. Link will be in the description. Word.
That's mine or yours. Did you bring one?
Yeah, I bought one.
Oh, that's probably yours.
Yeah.
I have one on your car. Oh yeah, mine's in the.
Yeah, it's all good.
They're 300ZX twin turbo brakes. Stop tech rotors and pads.
What kind of rim is this?
They're MB Battles, 17 by 9.5.
Nice.
They're too wide for me because I want to fit like a wide tire. It pokes so much. They're 255 40 17 Pilot Super Sport.
Hey, get away, fly. Yeah, that's a nice banner. I've never seen this. I just realized this. Yeah, that's what's up.
I've had it since last H2O.
Oh, nice. H2O, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I still have yet to go to H2O.
Set off the car alone.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're back here in the S13. You can hear the pops, and you can hear the turbo spool. I need to host a car meet right here. Like, it'll be perfect. I'm just like 2 minutes away. I just gotta walk outside and go to the yeah, the SR20 too. Ooh, and another pop. I don't know, it'll be funny if my mom just texted me and it's like, what's that popping?
Go left or right?
I guess you could go right. But yeah, this is my first time being in a 240, specifically the S13. I've always liked these cars. I'm indecisive, like I said. I was thinking about getting one, but you guys know how indecisive I am. If I had to go Japanese, this is definitely one of the top 5 cars I'd get. This car is really quick. Oh my god, that's a Type R in front of us. Alright guys, out of nowhere, this is my first time seeing the Civic Type R in person. It's right in front of us. But anyways, with this car, you don't even have to force a smile. As soon as this baby launched, it's a smile right on your face. Like, I really like it, man. Like, this is just so amazing. I'm really overwhelmed, really happy about this. Like I said, first time being in the 240, first time to experience this, especially with turbo. You can hear a spool, hear loud pops. It's just amazing, and it's fun. Whoa. Oh, there's a cop. Another loud pop, which I missed on camera. But there's many pops to go, so don't worry. so paused. I'm like, is this real? I've never experienced like this. I've been in Mustangs and all these other cars, and I just never experienced this. Oh shit. We just drifted and there's a cop right there. Guys, I was taking so many pause moments. I'm just like, is this real? Are we in Need for Speed? Is this real? Like, I'm so overwhelmed. Seen about like 3-4 cops. I've never seen so many cops within literally 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Oh my. And I know this might sound weird, but the fuel actually does smell good. Yeah, we got scared because it was a cop that was right there, just told us to stop. But we passed by a friendly Z4 owner, so it's pretty cool. The breeze feels really nice. Another car. Yeah, somehow, even though I wear a hoodie, I'm just not hot. Like I don't understand it. I'm just not hot. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Please check out Chase's YouTube channel and follow him on Instagram. Link in the description down below. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'm out. Peace, Wolfpack.